Welcome to Timeless Decors. February is the perfect month to embrace warmth, comfort, and coziness in your living space. Whether you're curled up with a book, hosting friends, or simply enjoying a quiet evening, the right decor can transform your living room into a serene and inviting retreat. In this video, we'll share 7 cozy living room decor ideas that will make your space feel warm and welcoming all winter long. From soft textures to ambient lighting, these simple yet effective tips will elevate your home's ambience. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and let us know in the comments how you keep your home cozy during winter. Now, let's dive in. One of the easiest ways to make your living room feel cozier is by layering soft, plush textures. Swap out lightweight summer throws for heavier knit blankets, faux fur accents, and velvet or wool cushions. Textiles play a crucial role in adding warmth and depth to a space, making it feel more inviting. Consider draping a chunky knit blanket over your sofa or adding a sheepskin rug to the floor for an extra touch of comfort. Mixing different textures, like linen with faux fur or cable knit with velvet, creates a visually appealing and cozy environment. Investing in quality, touchable materials will not only make your space look inviting but also feel luxurious and snug. Lighting can make or break the atmosphere of a room, especially during the dark winter months. Swap out harsh overhead lights for softer, warmer alternatives like floor lamps, table lamps, and string lights. Warm white or amber-toned bulbs will instantly create a cozier feel. Candles are another excellent way to add warmth to your living room. Opt for scented candles with notes of vanilla, cinnamon, or pine for an extra layer of comfort. Consider using dimmable lighting options or smart bulbs to adjust the brightness according to your mood. The key is to create layers of light that make the space feel warm and welcoming without being overly bright. A soft, plush area rug can dramatically change the feel of a room by adding warmth underfoot and enhancing the overall coziness. Whether you have hardwood, tile, or laminate flooring, a thick, high-pile rug can make a world of difference. Consider wool, shag, or faux fur rugs to create a soft and inviting base. Rugs also help with sound absorption, reducing echoes and making your space feel more intimate. If you have a larger living room, try layering multiple rugs for added depth and warmth. A well-chosen rug can tie together your entire decor, making your living space feel cohesive and snug. Colors have a significant impact on the overall feel of a room. To create a cozy and inviting space, opt for warm, earthy tones such as beige, terracotta, mustard yellow, and deep browns. These hues evoke a sense of comfort and relaxation, making your living room feel like a warm retreat. Incorporate these colors through throw pillows, curtains, or even a feature wall. If you prefer a more neutral palette, consider adding pops of warmth with wooden furniture, woven baskets, and brass or copper accents. A harmonious color scheme will enhance the overall warmth and coziness of your living space. Nothing says cozy like a dedicated reading nook. Transform a corner of your living room into a relaxing retreat by adding a comfortable armchair, a soft blanket, and a small side table for your favorite books and a warm cup of tea. Consider adding a floor lamp or wall-mounted reading light to create the perfect ambience for unwinding with a book. A plush ottoman or footstool will add an extra touch of comfort. If you have the space, install floating shelves nearby to store your favorite reads and enhance the cozy vibe. A reading nook provides the perfect escape during chilly February evenings. Nature has a way of making a home feel warmer and more inviting. Introduce natural elements such as wooden furniture, woven baskets, dried flowers, and potted plants to create a cozy and organic atmosphere. Wood, in particular, adds a rustic and timeless charm to any space. If you have a fireplace, stacking logs in a decorative manner can enhance the cozy feel. Indoor plants like ferns, peace lilies, and eucalyptus bring freshness while also improving air quality. Incorporating nature-inspired elements will make your living room feel more grounded and serene. Finally, make your living space truly yours by incorporating personal touches. Display cherished family photos, favorite books, or travel souvenirs that bring joy and warmth to your heart. Layer in handmade or vintage items that tell a story and add character to the space. Scent also plays a significant role in creating a cozy home. Consider diffusing essential oils like lavender or cedarwood to enhance the ambience. Your home should reflect your personality and offer comfort, so curate decor that brings you happiness and peace. And there you have it, 7 cozy living room decor ideas to make your space feel warm and inviting this February. By incorporating soft textures, warm lighting, earthy tones, and personal touches, you can create a haven of comfort and relaxation. We hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Timeless Decors, and let us know in the comments which cozy decor idea you're excited to try. Stay warm and cozy, and we'll see you in the next video.